So I talk to a lot of people who want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to start. And I also noticed that most of my subscribers are new YouTubers. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 things that you need to know before you even start a YouTube channel and actually be successful at it. Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out the TV shop linked in the description and grab yourself something so that you can support the channel. And guys, when I say support the channel, I'm not just talking about buying something. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. That is you supporting the channel. So please share the video, share anything that you find that is helpful to you. Do not keep it to yourself, share it. Also, the channel aim is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Whenever I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, but I need your help to figure out what you guys would want. So I have 3 things in mind: Amazon gift card for $50, a light, or TubeBuddy license. Let me know in the comments which one of those you would rather. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do that giveaway. And to enter the giveaway is very simple. All you have to do is share my videos, subscribe to the channel, and follow me over on Instagram. Simple. Let's get into the video. So, before we get into these 10 things that you need to know, I just want to let you know, consider this as a pro tip. I want to let you guys know right now that starting a YouTube channel, having a YouTube channel, it's not a walk in the park. Having a YouTube channel, growing a YouTube channel is hard work. It requires patience, okay? Patience. It requires dedication, commitment. So, just to get that out of the way, it's not a walk in the park, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no overnight success here. But I promise you, if you follow these 10 tips that I'm about to share with you, you're going to be on your way. You're going to be on the path to a successful YouTube channel. So the first thing that you want to do before you even start a YouTube channel is think about what you want to create videos about. What topic interests you? And also, whenever you're creating a video, think about your viewers. Don't think about what you want to do. Think about what your viewers would want to see, so that therefore you can bring value to them. You can answer questions that they might have. Remember, you're not the one who's going to watch your video. They are. You're creating the videos for them. Unless you're doing a vlog channel and you're just like documenting, you're doing YouTube for fun. So you don't worry about subscribers, you don't worry about numbers, you're just doing it for fun to document your journey for whatever reason. But if you want to grow a successful YouTube channel, to become a full-time YouTuber, or to grow your business, you have to bring value to people through your videos. So let's say, for instance, you decided, okay, I'm going to create a comedy channel. Your aim right then and there should be entertainment. So when your viewers click on your video and watch it, they should be walking away from that video feeling entertained, feeling revived. Yes, they got a good laugh. That should be your aim because you are doing comedy. So therefore, you should bring in entertainment, laughter, happiness. Let me know in the comment what niche you're in. What do you do on your channel? Let me know in the comment. Whenever you sit and think about it, think about what you want to do on your channel. That's going to build a structure for your channel long term. That's going to be like the foundation for your channel. So therefore, that's going to help you to get to where you want to go in the future because you know what you are about. The next thing that you want to do before starting a channel is come up with some sort of plan for your channel. So based upon what you want to do on your channel, you want to come up with a branding, a channel name. What are the goals for your channel? You know, where you want to see the channel long term. So those are the things you have to think about before you even start a channel. And for your channel name, it's simple. You can just use your name. So therefore you can build a brand around your name. And if you don't want to use your name, you can incorporate whatever you're doing on your channel in the channel name. For example, clean my space. That simple tells you right then and there that clean my space is a cleaning channel. So if you have a channel name like clean my space, whenever somebody lands on your channel, it tells them right away what your channel is about. And it also helps with SEO. For those who don't know, SEO is search engine optimization. So therefore, if somebody go on YouTube and type in cleaning, what you do on your channel is in your name. Your channel has a chance of popping up because what you do is in your channel name. So people can find you easier because that keyword is already in your name. And as for the branding, you want to decide what color and what font you want to use on your channel or for your contents. So therefore, whenever people see your contents, they know that that is yours just by the branding. And for the goal, just as I had mentioned before, you will just want to think about where you see your channel in the future. Is it a business you're going after, or is it that you're just doing it for fun? Figure it out. Figure it out now before you start. So therefore, you can set that goal. The next thing that you want to do is make your channel beautiful, eye-catching, inviting. So you want to go on youtube.com, click on that little figure in the right-hand corner. I'm assuming that you don't have a profile picture yet, so that's why I say the figure. But if you do have a profile picture, click on that profile picture. Then you're going to click on channel. This is going to take you to your channel. And this is where you can upload a profile picture, and this is where you can upload a channel banner. Please do not skip this step. You want your channel to look professional and beautiful and eye-catching, as I said before. Do not skip this step. You also want to fill out the about section. Tell people what your channel is about. Add an email address there so that people can contact you. Listen, do not skip this step. I cannot stress it enough. Nobody's going to subscribe to an amateur. A channel that literally when you click on it, it shows that you're a small YouTuber. Even when you're a small YouTuber, even when you have 5 subscribers and somebody click on your channel, they should be like, oh wow, this person have their together. You know what I mean? So you want your channel to look professional. It doesn't matter what stage you are. So do not skip it. It's the most annoying thing when you click on somebody's channel and there's no channel banner. There's no profile pic. You don't want to be that person. So if you go back on youtube.com and click on that figure, which should be a profile picture by now, you're going to click on Creator Studio. That's going to take you to this page where this is where you can see everything that is happening with your channel. Also, this is where you can upload a video to YouTube. This section right here, YouTube Studio, is very important to you, or should be important to you as a small YouTuber. This tells you how your channel is performing. This tells you about each video individually, in details. What is happening with your video, how many views, you can reply to comments. Everything that you need to know about your channel performance, you can find it here. So from the YouTube Studio to upload a YouTube video, you go to the top right hand corner where you see create, you click on create and you click on upload video. There you can drag and drop your video, or you can click and select the video from your computer. The next thing that you want to do is upload a channel trailer. Whenever somebody new come to your channel, this is what they're going to see. Your channel trailer should be an introduction to you and your channel. What does your channel have to offer? Just create a video, a short video, and probably about a minute or 2, introducing yourself and introducing your channel, what your channel is about. Guys, if you're liking this video so far, if you're finding value in this video, please go ahead and hit that like button right now. It's gonna help my channel so much, and it tells YouTube that you're liking the video, and it keep your girl motivated. Okay, so hit that like button right now, and if you're new and watching this, hit that subscribe button too and the bell. Okay, next, you want to create playlists for your channel. It helps people that visit your channel or even your subscribers to find your videos much faster. So instead of somebody being there scrolling through your entire 600 videos, it's going to help them to find each video much faster whenever you put them in a playlist. Plus, if somebody visits your channel and watch a video and they like that video, if you put similar videos in a playlist, chances are they're going to like the other videos. They might just watch all of the videos in that playlist. That's going to keep them on your channel for longer, and that's exactly what YouTube wants. As I said, if you have a playlist, let's say, for example, get more views, and in that playlist you have 10 videos that title get more views or is in the category of getting more views, chances are if somebody watch one of those videos, they're going to want to see the other 9 videos because they're there to find out how to get more views. So whenever you create a playlist, it keeps them on your channel for longer, and it keeps... The next thing that you want to know before you start a YouTube channel is that you can start with what you have. Do you need a fancy camera? No. Do you need expensive lighting? No. I'm not going to go too much into this because I have a video that you should go and watch on how to start a YouTube channel or how to create videos using your phone. So I'm going to link it in the cards and you can watch it after this video. But just so you know, you can record, edit, upload videos right from your phone. And you can also create your thumbnails from your phone. You can do it all. You do not need fancy equipment. Just start. The next thing you want to do is promote your channel. If you're a new YouTuber, you have to promote your channel. You just start creating videos. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows your channel. The only way for people to find your channel is if you promote your videos. If you want views and new subscribers, you better promote your video. Whenever you just start a YouTube channel, YouTube is not going to promote your videos for you. Not until you start getting engagement and audience retention. That's when YouTube is going to promote your video. So until then, you have to do the job. Promote your videos on all your social media platforms. There are also Facebook groups for YouTubers that you can promote your video in. Stay away from sub for sub. But there are Facebook groups that you can go in where you can promote your videos, where people can genuinely subscribe to your channel. Promote it on Instagram. Promote your videos on Reddit. Promote your videos on Pinterest. Just promote your video everywhere. That's how you're going to get views and the subscribers. The next thing that you want to do is figure out an uploading schedule. You want to create an upload schedule. So decide whether or not you're going to upload 1 or 2 videos per week, and decide on the day or days that you want to upload that video. Do not try to create too much videos because that's going to burn you out real fast. As a small new YouTuber, it takes a lot of time and effort, especially if you have school or if you have job, kids, life. Take it slow. Start slow. If you want to increase it as you go along, as you get the hang of it, because practice becomes perfect. As you go along, you're going to realize that, okay, things are going faster. You edit faster, you record faster. But when you just get started, you're going to realize that recording one video takes you 3, 4, 6 hours. You know what I mean? When you're just getting started, take it slow. Slow and steady win the race. Whenever you create a uploading schedule, try your very best to stick to it. Stick to the schedule. Consistency on YouTube is, I don't want to say everything, but it plays a major part So stick to your schedule. And that's why I say do not create more than what you can keep up with. So you don't want to start out with 5 upload per week, but then by a couple of weeks you have to drop it because you realize that it's too much. So start out with 1 or 2 that you can keep up with. Next, you want to create a community. What I mean by this is engage with other YouTubers. Being a YouTuber, it's gonna be lonely, especially if you don't have people around you that does YouTube, that whenever you spit crap, they know what you're talking about. Whenever you say SEO or CTR, people gonna be looking at you like you have 6 heads. Like, huh? What is that? So if you don't have people around you that does YouTube or does social media, they're not gonna know what you're talking about. It is good to make YouTube friends, and it's also great for collabs, especially if those friends are in your same niche. This next one is huge. Probably should have been number 1. That's how important it is. And that is learn the YouTube algorithm and learn your analytics. I have 2 videos that go in detail about these 2 topics. I'm going to link to those videos in the cards, and you must watch those videos after this. You need to learn the YouTube algorithm. You need to learn your analytics. This is very important to your success here on YouTube. So make sure you watch those videos. This next one would have been number 11. So therefore, it's a bonus tip. And that is, make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 videos on your channel before you start promoting your videos or promoting your channel. The point here is you don't want to be sending traffic or sending people to an empty channel or to a channel with just 1 or 2 videos. People need to see what they're subscribing to. So therefore, try to upload a couple videos, as I say, 5 to 10 videos before you start sending traffic to your channel. Guys, make sure you go and watch those videos that I've mentioned. It is going to help you, I promise. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And remember, stay humble, but keep hustling. I'll see you in my next video.